Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the docket today is a draw for 10 names to find as many buyers for the limited run of MLC custom Chevy Gassers that I recently completed. It's my first Signature Series project, and I think they turned out especially well. I see 176 comments here. Half of those are my replies, so there are roughly 80 unique entries. I'm using the YouTube random comment picker with no keywords in the filter. If a comment doesn't indicate a clear desire to purchase, I'll just pull the next one until we have 10 buyers. Thanks to all of you for your interest in my channel and my hobby work. I'm very encouraged by your response. Let's get to the draw. Daniel Devers says, Andrew, the custom gassers are awesome. Would love to have one, if still available. You did an awesome job. Thanks for sharing. Daniel, car number 198. Got your name on it now. Second name up is Diecast Looney. Congratulations, Michael. His comment is, those look absolutely fantastic, Andrew. Beautiful work. I would love to buy one. Number 199 is going to Cornwall. The next car up is the very special MLC Custom number 200. And I'm going to make this one a freebie. Whosever name comes up this time does not pay for purchase or for international shipping, so any kind of comment will do this time. It doesn't have to indicate a desire to purchase. I'm more wired to give these away than to sell them, so let's see who that's going to be. Good luck to everybody in this special draw. Septic Colin is the winner of the freebie. Longtime viewer and channel supporter Jack says, absolutely magnificent stuff, Andrew. Not that anybody would look to sell them on, but in times to come, these will be worth a fortune. Unfortunately, I've already gone into the red with my things that I desperately want but don't actually need budget for this month and next. Okay, March 2. I'll just have to wish everyone else good luck and enjoyment and start saving for my future MLC heirloom. P.S. You should get a little part-time job pitching for QVC. Every little bit would help. Jack, no need to save. You are the winner of the very special MLC Custom number 200. And I know it'll find a special place in your display shelf. Well, let's find a winner for number 201. Jeff H. His comment is, the work that you did was amazing. I never liked the way they did the front suspension either, but the modifications you did were spot on. As much as I'd love to add one of your cars to my collection, I unfortunately can't afford them. But please keep doing what you're doing. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate your kind words. Miniature Mustang's name just came up. Steve in Tennessee. Outstanding, Andrew. 55 Gassers, my favorite casting to customize. Would love to have the opportunity to purchase one of yours. Let's give it another spin. Tom. Tom and I have been writing this week, and he says, currently can't afford, just a like and a comment follows. Congratulations on this undertaking. Last year I did 18 for a raffle at my son's school. They weren't uniform, and I didn't have as much work, but they did have custom decals. I hope you get a moment to rest and learn some good lessons from this endeavor. You know, I really did, Tom, but it was no run of 18. Let's see who's up next. Timo's Dinky Detailing is in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. Timo writes, that came out very nicely. Do you think there's an advantage to doing an assembly line style build? You know, do the same thing over and over? And congratulations on your 200th model. I've already replied to Timo's comment like I do to all of them, so let's press on. And it's Diecast HD, who says, very nice craftsmanship. Very nice video too. Happy New Year. Same to you, Diecast HD. Thanks for watching my video. The next spin gives us the name Plow King, who writes, "Lovely work as always, sir. Please put me in the draw to buy one. I'd love to have one of these beauties." Well, you just got custom number 202. That's the 5th, and we're halfway there. Let's keep going. David Maggard. David says, "They look great, Andrew. Great work as always. You've done a great job on the front leaf springs. I'm like you. I don't like that big piece of plastic on the Gasser Hot Wheels. It does some trouble things on some of their castings. Look at the wheels on the Hot Wheels 69 Chevelle. Like the tires set back in the body looks bad. What a waste of such a great casting. And I'm not picking your work. I would never do that. But you missed something, Andrew, to me. The gas, brake, and clutch pedals. All I saw that might need some paint. Great big old day, Andrew." The day I'm doing gas, brake, and clutch pedals is the day I become professional. Thank you, David. That would be a hard one to stick the landing on. Pressing forward. Boom. Mountain Pirate. Awesome. Thank you, Mountain Pirate. But that's not a purchase, so we give it another spin. Calibre 50 Customs. Tom is one of the 2 new Four Horsemen beginning in January. He comes from Missouri in the USA. Tom says, "You know I'm going to want one, buddy. I don't have a custom from you yet." Well, you do now, Tom, and thank you for sending me some of yours. Mikey Mike says, "Saw the images of the final results on IG and had to immediately check out the video. Fantastic work as always." Thank you, Mikey. Eric Johnson, "Nice cars. Do you sell the 3D engines?" I don't, Eric. Shipping out of Switzerland would just be too expensive. Mr. Jim Silva writes, "Absolutely beautiful work, Andrew. So much detail. So wonderfully well done. I do have to say a couple of things. First, you have far more patience than I do, LOL. And second, you have nerves of steel. When you started grinding the posts after painting the bodies, I had to close my eyes. Congratulations on completing this ambitious task so very, very well." Thanks so much, Jim. To be honest with you, I had my eyes closed too. That was the scariest part of the whole thing. On we go, looking for a new owner for number 204, 2HD Cat, second. Thanks for watching, Cat. You're a good supporter. BJ's Custom says, "Amazing customs, Andrew. They all came out very nice." Thank you, Brandon. I appreciate that. Lothar Renz is a viewer from neighboring Germany, and he writes, "Matchbox Mark does mass restorations. You do mass customizations. From now on, you will be known for that. Smiley face. Great results. Love the details and stickers. Greatest idea using them magnets, too. Of course, with the windows tinted that much, that's the best option. I hope they will all find a good new home. 50 green for that much work is like a steal." Danke, Lothar. On we go, and the name Brian Smith comes up. Excellent. "Holy cow, Andrew, that was a ton of work, times 10. As usual, though, a fantastic job of fabrication and imagination. Love how you solved the big blob transmission lift issue so much better. A fitting result for your 200th plus build. Thank you, and I would love to buy one. Get in touch with me this week to claim number 204, Brian." Click. Stuart Brimner. "Just one of these is an amazing build, but 10. Outstanding work. If I'm not too late, I'd love one. Stuart, I'd love to send you one, and it's going to be number 205. Go for it, Painting writes, "Really cool." That's really nice. Thank you. Jack's Diecast Garage. "Anxiously waiting, LOL. Jack, I wish you'd said I want to buy one in that comment. because the last two cars are the chase cars with special Samet tires, paint, and decals, so the next two names get the chase cars. Old School Cool Diecast Donnie is in Virginia, and he writes, I'm hoping to be able to get one. Can't wait to see how they look, especially with Andrew at the wheel. LOL. That's intent to buy, in my opinion, Donnie, so congratulations, you get the first chase car. It's number 206, which means we need one more name for the final chase car, Aiden's Adventures. How much does it cost to ship to Switzerland? Just so I know how much I need to spend to get my car to you. Aiden and I are doing a buddy build coming up soon, and we're going to exchange cars. That's what that's about. Zelda Diecast Racing is in Indonesia, where I used to live for a couple of years. Very awesome custom build as always, boss. Have a great weekend, boss. Thumbs up. I wish I could get my wife to call me boss, Zelda. That'd be good. Still looking for that elusive 10th name. Ed Smith says, I would love to be put into the drawing to purchase one. Thanks. Ed, you just got the number 207 chase car with the custom 3D printed Hillborn engine. It's a beauty. Here are all the names that were drawn beside the car numbers that they'll get. I wish everybody could have won, but I sure do appreciate your interest in having a custom, and I'll do this again, because I'll call this a success. If your name was one of the ones drawn, contact me in the next week or so at MapleLeafCustoms@iCloud.com so we can make arrangements for payment by PayPal and international shipping right to your address. Thanks for watching this video today, everybody. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.